too sweet, eh?
So what is his name? Or don't we know yet?
We do know, guys. What is his name?
Mummy, you can
His
tell.
name's Jack.
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 Oh, lovely. Jack
Jack
Naughton.
Naughton.
That's a brilliant name. It's my dad's name.
Oh, really?
That's him.
Oh, that's nice.
Brilliant name.
Jack.
So we stuck with the J theme of the day.
Yeah. Lovely.
Hey, Jack.
Oh, guys.
Welcome
It's
to the world,
sweet.
Mum.
What's your dad's
I
name?
love it.
Proper name.
My dad's proper name is Deirdre Edward Veerder van Velzen Notten.
Okay.
So the rest of the world
No
call
wonder
him...
they call him Bambi.
Yeah, they call him Bambi. Yeah, yeah.